victory as Alex goes side by side here with Mark, who's going to be the latest on the brakes into that first corner. Fair play to Alex, he really has toughed it out there, hasn't he, with Mark. Mark just let a look, glimpse to his right-hand side there and saw a face full of blue Grazine Ducati. Knew he couldn't turn in. So Alex has made his move early on here. He leads at the start of lap 4. It has been a brilliant bounce back in Barcelona for Alex Marquez, who takes the victory in the Catalonia Grand Prix. It's